So let's get underway. And what I would encourage all of you to do is, yes, ask questions in the chat, but please, I love it when it's interactive. So don't feel afraid to jump in, and we haven't got that many people in the room. So you're more than welcome to turn your microphone on and ask a question or add some information, and we're happy to unpack and look at all of those things. It's a big topic, this, in many respects, because the engagement of audiences is absolutely critical. And it's I was talking to someone earlier today about this, how I came to a realization probably about 18 months ago that marketing, which is become an overused term and covers so many different areas, has become one of those terminologies as well that people go, yeah, I know marketing, and kind of move on. It's really much more about engagement these days, and I prefer to refer to that as a general rule. And we all have multiple audiences, and lots of things have changed, stating the obvious. So just to go through some of the things that we're going to try and tick off today, there is really, I want to give you a sense of how to engage audiences in the changing times, what those changing times are, but what you really need to do to get those foundations in place in order that you can engage better with people, and why that is becoming more and more important than ever before. Hopefully along the way, I'll try and remember to tell you a couple of stories of how it works and how it doesn't work. Along the way with that. So hopefully you're all good with that. So just to show me that you're all alive in there, just give me a yes in the chat if you're all good with those outcomes, and we'll kick things off. So just put yes in the chat, or give me a Y or something, just to let me know that everyone's there, and we will start getting in and unpacking some of these details. So excellent. All right, thank you, Carol and Ben, and let's get things going from here. All right, where are we? Hey, go to the next page, please. Just what's going on? Just pause there for a moment. The wonders of technology, just not moving a slide. There we go. Okay. So this is just a quick background I wanted to give you on me, just so you understand where I come from as far as Come Together is concerned, and my 30 plus years of experience. I've built this framework for success based on all of this. It's how you engage people. You need all these different elements. And when people work with me, we commonly go through all of these things. We assess against them. We work through all of them on an ongoing basis, because it's a bit like painting the Harbour Bridge. Once you get to the end, you got to go back to the beginning and start all over again. So it is something that you need to keep working with. And it's more obvious than ever before in the way that things have changed.